Hey Chalk Nation, it's your girl Chalk and I am back with another video, and we are back with another package from Pink Friday Nails. As you guys know, I have been stocking up on Pink Friday nails because Nikki just surprises me every time with the deals and the promos and the discounts that she be having. So I ordered these two new sets. I got one set for $10.99. I got the other set for $12.99, and I got free shipping. So as you can see, my grand total was only $26.07. So not only did the price of the nails go down, but she had a free shipping promo. Originally, the nails were $16.99 a piece plus a $5 shipping, so I would have been paying around $40, but she has lowered the prices and she got that free shipping promo going on. So y'all better head on over to Pink Friday Nails and get y'all some real soon, because I don't know how long it's going to last. So all the nails come with that manual that I was just showing you guys, and it shows how to apply the press-on nails and also how to remove them if you are new to the press-on nail game. But of course, y'all got me to show you guys how to do all this. I did a very detailed tutorial and unboxing on my first set of Pink Friday nails that I ordered. So if you missed that video, it is on my channel, so make sure you go back and check that one out. But let's get into these new Pink Friday sets that I got. So this first set is called Crushing It, and it is in the color Red Velvet, and it is in a long stiletto length. As y'all know, if you've been on my channel for a while and been subscribed to me for a minute, y'all know my love for stiletto nails has grown so much, and these are so pretty. The lighting in my room is honestly not doing this red enough justice, because that red is so pretty, especially outside in the sun. It's like a clear jelly red. It's not like a solid plain red nail. It's different and I love it. It's almost like a liquid red. I can't really explain it, but it is really nice, very luxurious, like it says on the box. I really want to open this box and show you guys the nails outside of the box and everything that comes in the box, but I'm not opening them for a special reason, and I'll let you guys know in a second. But since this set is already opened, this is the set that I applied and did the detailed tutorial on. So since each nail set comes with the same things in each box, I'll just show you guys from this set that's already opened. So it comes with a nail file, a cuticle pusher, and they all come with a little envelope with all the nails in it. They all come with the nail glue, which is a really good nail glue. The nails definitely lasted 2 weeks. And it also comes with nail stickers and an alcohol prep pad, which I used the alcohol prep pad. I don't use the nail stickers. But the box opens magnetically, and then you have more nails on the front of the box on display, and that's pretty much how the packaging is on these beautiful nails. So let's get into the next set that I ordered. These are called Pardon My French. They are in the color Cherry Sour, and they are in a square medium length. So I got some medium nails because even though I'm a long nail girly, I do want to try out different lengths of her nails. So I got a medium set, and I haven't ordered a short set yet, but I am going to order a short one as well. But let's get into these. So this is Cherry Sour, and as you can see, they have a really cute cherry design on the tips. It is light pink on the tips and then outlined in red with some really cute cherries on them. Real cute and classy, nothing too major. This is for the girls that like a nice clean medium set. I really want to open these and show you guys how they look outside the box, but I'm not going to do that. And let me tell y'all why. The reason why is because I've been stocking up on these nails so I can give them away to y'all. So these are the nails that I am going to be giving away in the giveaway. Yes, it is giveaway time. We just hit over 2,000 subscribers and I love every last one of y'all. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel and showing my channel so much love and support. All the likes and comments and shares and subscribing. Y'all have no idea how much that helps my channel to grow. So without you guys, my channel would not be growing like it is. And I just wanted to give back and show you guys my appreciation. So I've been stocking up on these nails so that I could give them away to y'all. So this is how the giveaway is going to work. So if you want to enter the giveaway, comment under this video, enter me. You also have to like this video. That's all you have to do is comment, enter me, and like this video, and you will automatically be entered into the giveaway. The last day to enter into the giveaway is going to be Sunday, June 9th at 12 noon is the cutoff time to enter the giveaway. So y'all better drop them likes and comments. And you have to be subscribed to my channel. All the new people that's viewing this video and you ain't subscribed yet, you better go ahead and hit that subscribe button and stop playing so you can get into this giveaway. So go ahead and join the Chalk Nation. You are going to love it here, boo. And this is how I'm going to do the giveaway. So everybody that enters the giveaway, I'm going to write your names down on a piece of paper individually. And then I'm going to put all the names into a jar. And then I'm going to upload a second video pulling the names of the 5 giveaway winners from the jars. So y'all better make sure y'all have them notification bells on so you do not miss the next video and any video after that, because we only going up from here, Chalk Nation. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching and subscribing. I love y'all, Chalk Nation. Stay tuned. I'll see y'all in the next video and good luck. Peace.